Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I know I have been a little MIA lately. I've had a lot of my plates, but I'm here and I'm not going anywhere. Today I wanted to show you how playing with shadows can make your photos both unique and creative. Most photographers avoid shooting under the midday sun because of the harsh shadows it casts on their subjects, models, etc. I get it. 12 p.m. lighting can be tricky, and I rarely schedule sessions at the time unless it's absolutely necessary. But shadows aren't always the enemy. In fact, they can bring out some really cool effects in your shots. For this video, I took some creative studio shots to demonstrate how shadows can work to your advantage. I will also share examples of how I use shadows in my outdoor maternity photography. Since maternity is my main genre, I'm often looking for ways to make each session feel unique. Here's a shot where I use softer light during the sunset to create a gentle shadow effect on my client's face using the dry flowers. One of my favorite tricks is to use objects like the dried flowers or plants or hands to cast interest shadows. In the studio, we have full control over lighting, which let us direct the shadows exactly where we wanted them. So I bought this star curtain, which is all tangled now, to play around and use it to create a shadow pattern on my face for a self-portrait. I don't have a proper spotlight, so I used my AD200 and it worked beautifully. I hung the curtain on my C-stand to get a star shadow over one eye and shot the self-portrait using Imaging Edge. I then edited in Photoshop and Evoto, and here is the final result. For another experiment, I grabbed a spatula from my kitchen as I wanted something very unique, and the spatula shape gave me a really unusual shadow effect. I just sat on the floor in front of my wall casually, and I also used my AD200 for the lighting again, and hung the spatula on a tripod near my face. After capturing the shot using Image Edge, I also edit using Photoshop and Evoto. Speaking of Evoto, if you are curious about this editing software, check out my last video where I give you a comprehensive walkthrough in how to use it and what it can do. It's a real time saver for editing, especially if you run a busy photography business. That's it, everyone. Just a quick, fun look at how shadows can add a creative touch to your work. I will be back soon with more shadow experiments because there are thousands of objects that you can use it. So stay tuned. If you haven't already, please subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.